I think one of the moments that stands out very clearly to me is when my dad passed away. I've been daddy's little girl all my life. My dad wasn't a Christian, at least a practicing Christian. He didn't come to church. He's not what we would call a believer. In fact, very often he'd mock us for being Christian because he'd say we didn't really live lives that, evidence that we had Jesus as our savior. And so he always stayed away from Bible studies or meetings or church. Towards the end of his life, he was actually staying with us. His health had not been too great. And even though it was deteriorating, at that time we often had Bible studies and the church meeting at our place. And while he was not overly participative, he'd come for prayer or for worship, and soon I'd see him reading some books or the other. Just before he died, he was actually hospitalized, and when he had come back home, I still remember the night before he passed away, my sister and I really cried and prayed because we didn't want Dad to suffer. And I still remember that our prayer was that if he's ready to meet you, Lord, and he is saved, then take him tomorrow and we won't complain. But if he's not been saved yet, then no matter how long it takes, we'll do whatever it is to make him comfortable, but make sure he's saved. My dad died the very next day after that prayer, and it was as if God was saying he's ready. And just through that time, the number of things, the number of ways God just filled me with a peace. There was grief, but there was peace that really enveloped every bit of it. I found a book that he had been reading called The Heavenly Man, which was about a Chinese house group pastor who was persecuted, and he had underlined, stuff in that. I found a Bible verse in his purse, and I realized through it all, God had already been working on him. And just before his funeral, the verse that came to me was, "Today he will be with me in paradise." And it's just how God takes the smallest, simplest prayers of our hearts and realizes how much it means to us and comes through because he's faithful.